Half day, friends and fam, welcome. It's lunchtime. Before we begin, I don't know why the music play in the background and the gossip at the front. Let's go. Bye, have a good day. Yo, I made myself some burger. Check it out, guys. I got some cheese, red onions, tomato, pickles, and some avocado and some bell peppers, guys. Some fries. And check out my sauce. Some mayo, ketchup, and some crushed pepper. Hit it with that pepper. Spice in the life. And for dessert, I got pecan pie, guys. Ooh. I'm gonna wash it down with a sweet tea. Gossip away, let's eat. I'm excited. I was feeling burger today, guys. Nothing more better than making your own burger. Put whatever you want in there. Check it out, guys. I haven't got avocado, forgot to mention that. Yo, go make yourself a burger. Let's go. Check it out, guys.
Lemon. Oh. Thank you.
Delicioso. Yo. I just put mayo in there.
Delicioso.
Check it out, the sauce, guys, the sauce. Open up, take a bite.
Oh my god, I will. But I don't want to go, I have to be on it.
Holy crap, friends and fam.
Bye, marica.
Bye,
Me limpia bien.
Claro, baby.
Que no voy a estar. Porque sabes que el viernes viene Alfonso.
Mañana es jueves.
Gracias, mi amor.
Dale, pues, baby.
Suki, guys. Oh my goodness. Very good, Paula.
Okay, dale, gu.
Hey, baby. The best part is the last bite, guys. The second and the last bite. It's the best. It's the second and last bite. No, it's the best. I got Paula with me tonight. Say hi, Paula. Well, that's third bite. Third chicken and last. You off tomorrow? You off?
No.
No.
Working.
Thank you to my million followers, my million viewers. I love you. Have a good day.